Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Famous Pops review? Then watch this video because we are going to share unbiased review on this site. So let's check out the detail. FamousPops.com is a newly and vibrant business that sells products with up-to-date styles, choice, size and color. And as we found, it was actually established in 2016, but the selling their goods all over the world, about 180 countries. They provide comfortable shoes for men, women and young adventurers, and the specific of the shoe along with the complete size guide is available. Most of the shoes are washable and the instructions are given. Let's check out the specification of the site. It is HTTPS secured website. Shoes for men, women and children are available. The domain age is about 6 months and 18 days. Contact number, physical address and email address is mentioned on the website. They have multiple payment method available. As far as return and exchange is concerned, you can request for return or exchange for the good within 12 days of receiving it, and they should make the return after the support team approve it. As far as refund is concerned, you can request the refund if you receive non-functional goods, or if you do not receive any order within 60 business days, the refund is made to the bank account within 5 to 10 business days. As far as its shipping is concerned, they are offering worldwide shipping, especially to United States and other countries, and the delivery can take 5 to 20 business days. Social media icons for Facebook and other platforms are linked with this website. The positive point of the site are they have wide variety of the product to choose. You can enjoy free shipping over the order of $79. Order tracking option is provided. Happiness is granted with extraordinary material and regular improvement in products. Shoes for men and women are available. HTTPS protocol is detected. Complete information about the product is mentioned. User friendly customer policies. Global shipping is available. As far as negative points for the website are concerned, these are: it has low trust score, bad customer rating and owner details are hidden. Is Famous Pops legit? As we are checking out all the detail, we found that it is just 6 months 18 days old website. No doubt it was created on 8th March 2021, but the website mentioned it was registered on 2016. That is not correct, and it will expire on 8th March 2022. No Alexa ranking is available for the website because it is not so popular. As far as its trust index is concerned, that is just 1% only, and trust rank is about 21.8 out of 100. It has received negative customer review on Trustpilot. All the policies are user friendly that are mentioned on the website. The content of the site is to some extent is plagiarized. The address of the website that is mentioned, it seems to be no link between the two company, as they have mentioned the Hemex company address. Social media accounts linked regarding website, Facebook and other are mentioned, but that's are not active. These are inactive. So as we all know, customer reviews help us to decide the legitimacy, and you will be priced to check out the customer rating and feedback on other platform like Trustpilot. All the reviews are negative, and people seems to be very frustrated with this website. Most of them have mentioned they have received the wrong product which was useless due to the indifferent sizes. The customer care did not respond well and no refund was made. Moreover, someone said that they get trash instead of the order product and recommends everybody not to waste their money. So in our final verdict, we can say that no doubt the website sells various extraordinary shoes for men and women. The website has exemplary user interface, but we do not allow to get fooled because it is not a trustworthy website. It is not recommended by the users. It is highly suspicious and possible a scam site, so you should stay away from this site. And if you have a personal experience from this site, please share your views and experience right in the comment box regarding your experience of shopping from famouspops.com.